If you use Microsoft Edge and you like to keep your browser organized, this quick setting can make browsing a lot easier. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on tab preview on hover in Edge so you can see what's inside a tab just by moving your mouse over it. This is a super handy feature when you have lots of tabs open and want to find the right page faster without clicking through everything one by one. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorial videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu to open the main settings menu. From there, click settings. This will take you to the Edge settings page where you can customize how the browser looks and works. On the left side of the settings screen, click appearance. Inside the appearance section, scroll until you find the tab settings. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps options related to tab behavior and display. Under the tabs area, look for the option called Show Tab Preview on Hover. You'll see a toggle next to it. Turn that toggle on. As soon as you enable it, Edge will start showing a small preview of the tab whenever you hover your mouse over it. This makes it much easier to identify pages quickly, especially if you are multitasking or researching with many tabs open. And that's it. You've now turned on tab preview on hover in Microsoft Edge. If you want to customize your browsing experience even more, keep exploring the appearance and tab settings inside Edge. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Edge tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.